Good morning to those who are just joining us. Once again, this is Southwest Flight 2744 headed to Washington, continuing on to Providence and Baltimore. Once again, we do have open seating. Once you've selected your seat, just do us a big favor, step as quickly as possible out of that center aisle, so everyone behind you in the jetway can find their seats as well. We still have plenty of seats right back in the aircraft. We have some windows, we have smiles. Together, we do expect to go out just about full today. Everybody can find a seat.
So as she said, this is Southwest Airlines 2744 from Columbus to Washington, Reagan. In seat 16F, Boeing 737, looks like the 700 variant, and we're at gate A4 here at Columbus, John Glenn International. So, hope you enjoy. So that's the current weather in Columbus. That's winds at 220.11 knots, 10 statute miles visibility, broken clouds at 9,000, temperature of 2 Celsius, dew point -3, and altimeter is 3006. This right here is what's called a TAF, Terminal Aerodrome Forecast. These are Zulu times, which is universal time coordinated, and winds, visibility, clouds. So based on that, should be taking off towards the west, runway 28 left or 28 right today.
Do we have the Sandra boat?
Just about 45 minutes of flight time up to the 31,000 feet on the way to Washington, D.C. with airplanes weather winds out of the southwest at 7 miles an hour, partly cloudy skies. At 34 degrees. We've got 0 of our finest flight attendants back up for your safety and comfort. Let any of us know if there's something we can do to make the flight more enjoyable. Let's in fact relax and enjoy that name of Southwest hospitality. Welcome aboard.
So pushing back from gate A4 and engine start.
Pull it out and give it a read, because if you need it, you won't have time to read it. Also on that safety information card lets you know in the event of a water evacuation, there's a life vest located under your seat. Only if told to do so, remove it by pulling on the red strap. Remove the pouch, remove the vest from the pouch, place the vest over your head, secure it around your waist with the black nylon belt buckle, and pull it tight. Once outside the aircraft to inflate, pull down on the red handle at your waist. There's also a manual, place a tube at your shoulder. Forward nav is vacant, or if you miss the red exit and the door is locked, you can return to your seat, or most cases. I'm tongue-tied there. But in most cases, you use the lavatory in the back of the aircraft where there are no leaks.
So it looks like takeoff's going to be runway 28 left. that'll end the departure section of this flight video. Flight 2744 on Southwest Airlines from Columbus, John Glenn International Airport to Washington Reagan Airport in Washington, D.C. It's a 737-700 variant, and I'm in seat 16F. Hope you watched the arrival as well. Thanks.